We're here at Catch a Healthy Habit Cafe. We just had Dr. Mark Breiner talk to a crowd about some interesting concepts with today's dentistry. Spoke a lot about mercury and spoke a lot about fluoride. And that'll be up on the site. You're going to be able to check out some excerpts from that. But Doc, you made a point about healthcare, and with the new presidency, there's lots of talk about healthcare and what are we going to do with it, how are we going to handle it, what's going to happen in the future. And you had an interesting comment today about what we can do and how we might be able to lower healthcare.
First of all, I think the biggest problem from what I've seen medically is that people are toxic. So if the medical community would just address getting rid of toxins and doing it properly, I think healthcare costs would drop dramatically. And that would include then needing to have dentistry and proper removal of mercury from the mouth and other things that go with what I call whole body dentistry. But if that were taken care of and toxins were gotten out, I'll bet you can cut healthcare costs to half, would be my estimation.
Yeah, wow, amazing stuff. Dr. Breiner also wrote the book Whole Body Dentistry, an amazing book, encompasses all this amazing information, mercury, fluoride, and many of the things that Dr. Breiner does in his office in Trumbull, Connecticut is kind of like, would be considered a lot different than going to your typical dentist. I know I went, fluoride treatment, this and that, and then you're out of there. Now seeing Dr. Breiner, it's a lot different. Just quickly talk about some of those things. You talked about the meridian points and some other things, some of the maybe different things that you're doing that you found to be helpful.
Well, a lot of what I do is energy dentistry, if you will, because every tooth is on an acupuncture meridian. So every tooth relates to a specific organ and tissue, vertebrae. So we can see a lot of that connection in what we're doing, and I use energetic testing to test and find out what kind of impact the mouth and things in the mouth are having on various organs and tissues. Awesome. So it's a different paradigm of dentistry.
Yeah, the dentistry of the future, hopefully.
Right.
Yeah.
This is what needs to be taught in dental school.
Wow, awesome. Would you just tell everybody how they can get in contact with you, and if they're not from the area, maybe how they can get your newsletter?
Well, I have an e-zine. You can go to my website, wholebodydentistry.com, and I have a book, Whole Body Dentistry, and that can be purchased at Amazon.com. My office number is 203-371-0300. Extension 1 is my son who does naturopathic energy medicine, is extension 2, and I'm extension 1.
Yeah, that's the way it should be. Yeah. All right. Well, Doc, thanks for taking the time. The crowd really appreciated it, and I know I'm a lot more knowledgeable about this, and really just thank you for your time.
Thank you, Glenn.
Great.